Hello Eric, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2010 Colorado. I understand you wanted to see the undercarriage, and so I'm going to get you a few shots of that right here. Rear axle looks great, muffler looks good, driveline, I mean it's got some light rust back here. Walk around and get a shot for you under the front. From the side here, this is from the driver's side. Wheels look great. And from the front. Looks pretty clean. It's the front right wheel. There's some scratches right here, maybe a little bit of curb rash, I can't tell, but otherwise looks pretty good. Tires. Right rear wheel. A little bit of corrosion right here, but not bad at all. And there you have it, Eric. I'm going to have Lauren get this loaded and get it over to you. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 800-866-2138 or visit us on the web at www.taylorandsonchevy.com.